Hi friends, this is FirearmPop, and today I have a new and exciting gun to show you. It's a Colt 1908 25 caliber automatic. It's called a vest pocket pistol. Anyway, I picked this up at the last gun show and I haven't really even touched it yet. So I'm going to be taking it apart. Well, I took it apart at the show. I had to figure out how to do that, and that's a story in itself, because the gun dealer I bought it from didn't know how to take it apart. And so I got back to my table and went on YouTube and figured out how to take this little gun apart, break it down. And that's what I want to do here today. I want to break it down. I want to clean it out. And so part 2 of this video will be at the range. This is only going to be part 1. So one of the first things I wanted to show you was the ammunition. Now what you're seeing here, this is 22 long rifle, this is 9mm, you're familiar, and this is 25 automatic, 25 ACP. It's a center fired round. I don't know how well we'll be able to focus in on that. It's center fired, and that's what it looks like. These happen to be Hornady hollow points. Anyway, so I'm going to get the ammo out of the way, and we're going to start by breaking this down. Now, what I found out was the unique way of breaking this pistol down was, let's see if I can do this here in frame so you can see it. I'll give you a little bit to look at the pistol first. Safety, one of the other nice features about this pistol is it does have a grip safety right here. So when you're firing the gun, that is the second safety. One safety, second safety. Okay. The weapon is clear. Let me remove the mag, which show you the mag release, and on the bottom that it does say a caliber 25 Colt. Okay, so with that we should be able to pull the magazine out, and there it is. We'll put that aside for now. This is why, I don't know if you can get a good look at the inside of this. You can see the rust right there. Why I wanted to really take it apart. We're going to take the grips off as well. Anyway, so if you looking over the pistol, I could not find anywhere any releases, any catches, anything to release that slide with. So drove me nuts for a little while, but then I found out, and what you do to do this pistol is pull the slide back. I'm trying to, okay. What you have to do is, if you pull the slide back, you'll notice there's grip on the barrel itself. And you just have to turn that barrel, you have to keep moving the slide back and forth till you find the spot where the barrel will turn. And I'm not there, it is. Okay? You see the barrel now is turning. So you turn that barrel, and then the slide comes right off. Okay, you got 2 springs coming out of this gun. This is, of course, is the guide rod and spring. Fits in the bottom. You can see why I wanted to clean this. Let me get this back in frame. Okay. Really needs some good cleaning. And you can see the barrel. I'll show you the barrel, but this is these 3 grooves is what the barrel slides in and out of to lock in place. Okay? So, let's put this down. Here is the hammer. You can see there where it actually will make contact with the projectile. We're going to take this out, and you notice there is a notch right there, and That's the way it has to go back in. Serial numbers on every piece, and they all match. Now to take the barrel out, I guess as good as mine, but let's take a crack at this. And it comes out this way, I guess. There you go. The barrel's out. Okay. So I'm going to lube it down and go from there. Just hang in there for a minute. Okay, so we'll start reassembly. Bear with me. Try to figure out exactly how that goes in. Now we know that those have to be turned. Okay, that's the place where it turns, and then it locks in place this way. Okay, I showed you on the right there. You can see the place where they turn. I'm going to hit that with a little bit of rem oil, and hit it with just a touch of rem oil in here. Okay. Again, now this is this goes in, the notch on this, on that goes right in there. And let's see how we do this. And the spring, the main spring goes in there. Now we'll try to marry this with this. This slides in. Got to keep a finger on this and get this to line up in the back here. Okay, so we continue doing this. That's going in. We're going to bring that back to the spot where this turns. There she goes. You catch that on camera. See that turning into place and goes forward. That's it. Now, also has a mag release lock. No mag, can't fire. Okay, so we're going to put the mag in. And you'll also notice that when I try to just push the trigger, nothing. Now hit the grip safety and it'll fire. So, there you have it, the little breakdown reassembly. Didn't go as smooth as I wanted it to go, but it went well. For my second time doing it, there's that. I love I don't know how well we can get a close-up. Right there is the well-known Colt symbol right there. Colt PTFA, Hartford, Connecticut, USA, and gives patent August 25th, 1896 through April 20th, 1897, December 22nd, 1903, and January 25th, 1910. This gun, this serial number I checked, was produced in 1920. Okay, so right on the bottom, I think I showed you earlier, caliber 25 Colt, right there on the mag. And that's it. I may try to look for a second mag online, see if I can find something to pick up. Anyway, here it is. The vest pocket pistol. You can tell by the size of my hand, the size of that pistol, and 25 auto. And there she is. A nice little pocket pistol. We can debate all day whether 25 caliber is dangerous or not, or is suitable personal protection. I'm not going to get into that debate here. a 25 ACP in your hand, or in your hand, is 10 times better than the 45 ACP back in the safe that you won't carry. This you can slip right in your vest pocket or anywhere and just carry that, no weight at all. Okay, this is Firearm Pop. Stay tuned. I will, as soon as I can get to the range, do a range report and firing of this pistol at the range. This is Firearm Pop. Stay safe out there, and God bless. Bye now.